So we'll go have a look. Boulder Dash is scraping down to bedrock so that we can metal detect. So we'll, unfortunately you get a lot of shavings from the teeth on the bucket, but the chances of finding a big nugget they're fairly good. So anyway, all right, let's go have a look. He's digging the stuff out right now. Say it's more than a gram.
Yeah, that's starting to get really loud. Oh my gosh,
look at the size of that
heavy. Yeah, that's a big old heavy. Oh, that's a heavy.
Oh, holy.
Oh,
hell.
heavy.
Look at that.
Ironstone City.
My gosh. Okay.
Well, it could have easily been. Gee, I really hope this is out.
I kind of don't. This is kind of fun.
Okay. Yeah, now I'll tell you, I thought you were being a little depressed earlier.
So, it doesn't seem like it's over there. It's right in the bottom.
It's in the bottom of that. Dude, it's right under those rocks.
I think
it's gotta be. I mean, where else would it be? Look how red that stuff is. Oh man, look at that.
That's one heck of a crevice.
It's still, look how deep it's going. Oh, gotta get those out of there. Man, all the dirt down in there. Gosh.
Good grief. Oh, I see it.
Oh, I see it too.
There's no way that's only a gram. I'm gonna go in from the sides.
Man, we have to work on that sucker to get it.
Oh!
That's not a gram. Oh, what a beautiful piece. Oh my goodness.
What a slab.
That is awesome.
What a slab of gold.
Wow, that has been there a long time.
Well, 3 grams anyway.
That's got to be more than
4.
3.
Yeah.
Still, it's amazing.
What a killer slab. Nice
Cool.
piece.
Yeah, that may only be 3.
We better double check.
Yeah, you know what? Oh.
Dang it.
It's impressive it heard it from so deep like that.
Oh, it's over there.
That's really noisy.
Got it.
Got it.
All right.
Jeez,
ready to see some gold, folks?
Yeah, this will be cool. Heard something hit. I can feel it in my hand.
It's just a slug, isn't it?
It is just a slug. It's like a look at that.
Oh yeah.
Look at that solid slug.
Wow, it's like a watermelon seed.
Dude,
but it's
that
like
thing was
super
heavy.
solid. Yeah.
Wow. Yeah.
Nice. Heck
Nice,
yeah.
man, that's old.
That is super old. Nice nugget. Oh, right on, man.
I guess it's out.
No, hopefully it's not a shaving.
It could be. It could just be a shaving. Oh. Okay.
Hey, you got it.
Not real loud.
I heard it.
Look at this.
Hey,
Look in this
Is it
mud
really?
clod right there.
so this is a dirt clod, you guys. Look at that.
See it? It's probably sitting on bedrock or something.
Yeah, break it out of there.
Dude, it's massive.
Look
that
at
thing.
that.
It wasn't very loud at all.
Good grief.
What the?
Wonder if the thing was turned down or something.
I don't
Awesome.
know. I don't know how to use
No
those
way,
anyways.
that's an awesome nugget.
Crazy.
Hey, I need help digging this target.
Hey, hold on. I gotta get my shovel warmed up.
Got it. Just so the folks at home can hear this. I think there's a target there.
Yeah, I think so too. Well, you know what was interesting about this target? It was literally like big ironstones in there, like, I don't know, like
Huge.
3 and 7 pounders.
Very large
Yeah.
ironstones.
We may start selling paperweights. Yeah,
There's another
see
one
that?
right there.
All rounded.
Huge
Been
ironstones.
just traveling for like 3 or 4 years.
I know. Look at that.
That's an ironstone, I think. Yep, that one. Yep. I think that's a heavy.
It is a heavy. Good gravy.
It's out.
Got it out.
Right there. I'm just kidding, I don't know. I'm terrible at that. Oh, see?
Okay.
Oh, perfect.
Here we go. Ready to see a nugget?
I am.
I am too.
Yeah, I already turned my tickets in though. So, I'm good.
I think it's in that one.
It's definitely going to be in there. Oh,
think it's
that's
in that
so
one.
loud.
Okay. That's odd. But whatever.
I heard something. I see it in your hand.
I do too. Clunk. Oh, that's a nice looking nugget. Look at this.
Holy
at that.
buckets, man. Nice.
How about that?
That's great.
What an awesome looking nugget.
Wow, that's probably a
I like that side better.
9/10.
Yeah, nice. Well, let's get back to it.
Yeah. Hold on, I gotta get all the shadows out of there.
Whoa.
Oh.
Oh, no, it is. Look at that nice piece.
There. Look at this,
See that,
everybody.
folks? Look at
So
that.
it's just, this is right on it's bedrock here.
Just missed it too.
Yeah, literally. Here's the scrape marks. Here's
Yep,
your
these
scrape
are the
mark.
bucket teeth marks.
I think you need to go further this way.
My
Golly,
gosh.
that's a nice piece of.
That is nice.
Thank goodness for detecting.
Right on.
What the?
I'm so glad the old timers didn't have detectors. Oh man. All right, Boulder Dash, what just happened?
You found the most amazing piece of foil gold that we've ever seen.
Look at this, folks.
It is.
Can you see that?
Nuts. Like there's. Oh, it's just.
It is leafy
It's beautiful.
foil gold.
It's on bedrock. It's a couple feet
Look at
deep,
that.
but
Sure
yeah, I think it
was.
a
A
neat-
couple feet.
It was like 6 feet deep or
Well,
something.
I don't know, what, 5?
5.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, folks.
That's
That is amazing gold.
It's rare.
Very
It's
rare.
very rare.
All right, guys, so that awesome piece of gold, I had to show you where it came from.
Yeah.
So look at this. Boulder Dash is what, 6'11"?
I'm 5 foot 12 inches.
All right.
So I'm
You're not 6 foot, you're 5'12".
no, 5 foot 12 inches.
So
That's how
check
tall
this
I am.
out. He's, yeah,
So we got all these different little layers and stuff in
how
there.
deep it is.
And here's where he just got it
Look
right
at that.
there.
Right in the corner, right at the
Check
very
this out,
bottom.
guys. You got to check your holes because while he was getting the camera, another signal.
Hey, how about that? Hopefully it's not, obviously we're digging with an excavator, but hopefully it's not a scraping off the bucket teeth
Yeah, hopefully not.
or the bucket itself
But
or
it's
whatever.
literally right. Oh yeah, it's over to the side there.
I think you guys can hear that. Oh. Please be a nugget. Man, that would be epic. Whoa, I can't keep my footing right here. I think you got it. Nice.
Yeah.
No. No. Yes.
Yes.
Ow, that rock.
I can't hear.
I'm telling you. Oh, sorry. I'd say it's in there.
Man. What a weird signal.
Could be a, hopefully. Oh.
It's the other side of it.
Oh my God. It's a what? What is that? It is the other
I
side.
think it's
I
the
bet
other
you it's
side
a
of it.
piece of that other one.
Yeah, I think it is.
It looks exactly the same. Like, you know, it's got that weird bubbly surface on it.
Yeah. Wow.
So it broke
Well,
off.
let's put them back together while no one's looking.
Yeah, get some super glue.
Yeah, get that thing out of there. Ah, great.
Whoa.
Now what to do?
Where would it have come from though, man?
I don't know.
It doesn't look like anything's broken off there, Boulder Dash. I'm not sure. I think it might be segregated.
So magically a storm put two exact pieces in the same hole?
From the same source, sure. Why not?
That does actually make sense.
Because it doesn't look freshly broken anywhere.
Are you sure right there on the tip?
No, dude. Look.
This doesn't look broken.
It doesn't.
You know what? You're right.
How neat is that?
Dude.
2 leafy pieces of gold.
We better triple check the hole just in case.
Maybe we better dig the whole mountain out. Let's just start digging the mountain out.